My name is Molly Ward, and I am the Secretary Designate of Natural Resources for the Commonwealth of Virginia.
With Molly, it's more than public service, it's also community service at the grassroots. She has facilitated so many things in the Hampton Roads region.
Individual communities couldn't survive without volunteer leadership and without volunteer coordinators. And when you can see that you can actually help an organization transform or overcome financial challenges or other challenges, it's really, really exciting.
Anybody could look at her resume and wonder how she has time to have a family and a professional career, because she is basically super committed to making lives of others better.
If you have more resources than you need on a daily basis, we need to go out and share those resources, whether it be your time or talent.
Her family, before I actually knew Molly, I knew of her work of her family. Her father was quite involved in the Hampton Roads region.
My parents were both very active in the community, and I was raised to believe too much is given, much is expected, and I just believed it. It was something that I just absorbed and believed was what you had to do. I think it's important to be a good citizen of the earth, and if you have more than you need, that you should share, and if you have time and the ability to serve, join the ranks and come help us, because we can make the world a better place. We can do good stuff if we work together.